This is Leonardo, not MidJourney, and in this video you will learn how to transform these images into professional ones using the right words. Accessing the AI website, type your email to start the login. After confirming the email, access the Discord. If you don't have one, just watch me do it to learn. In Leonardo's Discord group, make your login. Now click on the button below written complete to complete the login by verifying your email. Ready! Now just enter the website app.leonardo.ai that will be in the description. Create your account here and then you can use Leonardo freely. This is the site. Choose the name and your purpose with the AI. On the home page and in the feed of communities you can see images generated by other people and search for themes. In addition, you can also copy and download the image generated by someone else. In the personal feed you can see the history of all images created by you. In training and datasets you can create datasets and fine-tune models. You can find the different models for generating Leonardo's image. In the AI image generator button, there is the part where you will generate your images with Leonardo. To create an image, just type what you want in the block above and click on Generate. You can generate images of different sizes and select the number of images to be generated. These functions spend tokens and a free account has a limited number of them. Going to your personal feed, you can select an image and increase its quality or download it for free. If you go further down, there is also the option to upload any image and change it in Leonardo. Now I'm going to create a lion logo image and see the difference in quality depending on the words you use to generate images. Try to be as specific as possible and use as many words as possible to get the best results. Notice the difference between this lion and the previous one.